This is Abdullah Kashmuna, class CIS 148, Introduction to Programming Using Java. And this is the second week project, which is a program that takes string input and print it out. First of all, I need my library for the input, which is Java Utility Scanner, because I'm using scanner to get the input. So I created a variable called word in, which is going to be my input. And I also created word where we are going to put the input in this variable. And this is just asking for the user to input any word or any string and then store it in the variable word, then print it out saying you wanted to say then whatever printed. And test for program. Hello. And you wanted to say, so printed as first it asked for the input, then it printed the input word that I used, which is hello. Just use a different word. And that is the project for the second week.